All right, Precalc, the only thing I didn't go over is how to plot the point and then find 3 additional polar representations of this same point. So let's first plot to 2, and then I'm going to go to 3 pi over 4. So remember 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4. And I'm going to put a dot there with a line and an arrow through it. So this point can also be shown with a negative. So if I'm traveling negatively around the unit circle, remember when I go all the way, well, halfway around, that's 4 pi over 4. So this would bring me to negative 5 pi over 4. Now, we can also use 2 as a negative 2 and do a positive and a negative. So if I go negative 2, and then I go negatively, my yellow line was negatively around the unit circle, that's going to put me at negative pi over 4. And now if I go negative 2, and I go positively around the unit circle, this is 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4. So notice we're just using all the different ones that we can use to represent. I'm going to redraw my line, my graph, and my arrow to make you able to see this one. And let me erase all this goodness. So just make sure that you know how to write 3 additional polar representations, and that is how we do that. Great job today. Good job.